Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Joba, a political science instructor, and my goal here is to help students on their studies. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my latest video every week. Okay, so let's start! So for today's video, I will be giving you a quick definition of the word culture. Okay, so ano nga ba ang kultura? What is culture? Okay, so do you have any idea? So if you have, please write them down on the comment section. Okay, so the best way that I think will define culture is this. Culture is the way of life of a group of people, the behaviors, beliefs, values, and symbols that they accept, generally without thinking about them, and that are passed along by communication and imitation from one generation to the next. So that's simple. When we say culture, we always refer to the way of life. So, kung paano mamuhay yung mga tao, paano ka mag-isip, yung mga paniniwala mo, yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, yung mga gusto mong pagkain, and all, yung lengguwahe mo, that is already a culture. Okay, so I hope that you get something from this simple tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so goodbye everyone!